Lampstaketv. I flex. Let's go. Ha. Did you a more? Try. I get you a more. Yeah. Did you a more? Emana negotiable. I get you a more. Oluwa negotiable.
Hey, Chibosa, what are you doing there?
Uncle, I want to pluck coconut.
You want to pluck coconut? What do you want to do with it?
I want to eat coconut now.
You want to eat coconut? Chibosa, let me not see your hand on this coconut another day. If I get your hand here, I will deal with you.
Uncle, why is it that everything I do in this house, if I do this one, you say it's wrong. If I do the other one, you say it's wrong. Uncle, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? See, Uncle, my father left all these things for me, bought this house.
Your father left the coconut for you, bought the house. Chibosa, you want to learn how to fly, Abi? You want to learn how to fly? Okay, let me see your hand on this coconut another day. You see what I will do to you.
Uncle, if you know that you are a man enough, come and stop me. Come here and stop me, let me see you.
Foolish boy. I'll teach you this.
Come and stop me now.
Lampstaketv.
Come and stop me now.
I flex. Let's go. Did you a more? Try. I get you a more. Yeah. Did you a more? Emana negotiable. I get you a more.
Chibosa, where is the money you realized from the sales of the palm fruits yesterday?
Which money?
The palm fruits you went and cut from the farm yesterday and you sold them, so give me the money.
Uncle, that palm fruit there is my own. And but your daughter used to cook food for you here every day. Instead of you to give me the food, you will not give me. And then if I force you to make my own money, you'll be asking me about the money. Stop bothering me. Don't disturb me.
You hustle to make money? In your own farm or on my own farm? I say give me the money from the palm fruits, oh yeah? Chibosa, you're going to give me that money now.
Uncle, leave me, you're bothering me. Uncle.
I'm disturbing you. I say give me the money you realize from that palm fruit, oh yeah? Give me the money.
It's not your money.
It's not my money. You not give me that money.
It's not your money, Uncle. Uncle.
Come on. I want to take that money. Come give me the money.
Uncle, leave me now.
Come give me the money.
Uncle, leave me.
You must give me that money.
Uncle, leave me now.
Give me the money.
Uncle.
Look at it.
Daddy, what is it again now? What is it again? I don't like the way you're treating Chibos in this house.
Will you come on, get out from here? I said get out before I slap you. Nonsense. Chibosa, give me that money.
Uncle, leave me. Uncle, I will deal with you. Uncle, you're daring me in this house. Uncle, you're daring me in this house.
Where did you keep the money?
Uncle, leave me. Uncle.
You must give me that money. You must give me the money.
Uncle. Adam, let me ask you, what your father is doing to me, do you like it?
No.
Oh, you don't like it? Okay. Listen, day before yesterday, you cooked, you did not give me. Yesterday again, you cooked, you did not give me. And today, you will be cooking. And I'm sure you will not give me. See, I'm telling you all this because you are my only sister. Although not from the same parents, but do you know that this land now you are standing belongs to me? I don't want to stop anybody from entering here just because we are families. But I'm just telling you this just for you to know that one day this intimidation will stop. It will stop. Let's do what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. Block from the
I see.
6, 3.
Let's go. Ha, did you want more?
Ichiago, I come to ask you, what are you doing with that plan and that work?
Chicken. I'm still watching that boy. Could you imagine that boy threatened to kill me? Because I asked him not to step his feet on that night.
Hey! And what do you want to do now?
I'm still watching him. If I get to his leg that place, I'll deal with him.
You are still watching him. You will keep watching him. See, one day he will go and sell that land and run away. Do you know that the cost of that land now is 20 million naira?
20 million.
And I know that if you sell it 20 million, I know I'll get 4 or 5 million naira out of it.
No wonder this boy had the gut to say he's going to deal with me without being afraid. Ichikem, I've told the boy that I'm going to break his 2 weeks. I'm going to break his 2 weeks.
That is not the issue. Look, if you want, come to me, I'll take you somewhere. We are going to close his mouth. Again. Leave that for me. Ichiago, leave that for me.
That boy.
I'm like that. Leave that for me.
Adaku! Adaku! What are you doing here?
My father sent him to come and dig some cocoyam.
Your father sent you to come and dig some cocoyam? Cocoyam that I planted, I cultivated by my... See, and you don't even bother to take this from me. I go.
Leave me, I've started
Leave here.
again. No, leave me now.
I said leave here.
Again. Yeah.
Ah!
Oh!
Idiot. Your father sent you for my own land. Idiot.
Papa.
Adam, what is it? Where's the cocoyam I asked you to go and bring?
Papa, I was taking the cocoyam. Chibuzo man came and beat me up.
Chibuzo came to the farm and beat you.
You see my foot.
Even dirty your clothes. This Chibuzo again. Eh? Chibuzo! Chibuzo!
Uncle, what is it now?
Come here.
What is it now? What is it?
Chibuzo, what did you do to my daughter? Are you crazy? I said, what did you do to my daughter? You asked me to who? What did you do to Ada?
Are you not the one that sent her to go and dig some cocoyam there?
Of course, I sent her to go and bring the cocoyam.
Does it belong to you? Does it belong to you? You are daring me, Dino. You are daring me. Now I know that you want me to die, but I will be the person that will kill you. And after killing you, I will chase this your daughter out of this compound. That is all. That is all.
Chibuzo,
That is all.
you You will kill me.
That is it.
And chase my daughter out of the
That
house.
is it.
Chibuzo, you kill me. Very soon I will break your 2 weeks. You. Sorry, Sorry. Don't worry. I will deal with that boy. I will deal with that boy.
Instead of Ago to collect that land from me, it's better I die. Because that land belongs to me. It is my father's property. And I have the right. I know what to do. Uncle, leave me alone!
Chibuzo, come here.
Uncle, leave me alone!
Come here. Let me warn you. I want to warn you. Let me not see your 2 legs on that farm again. If you eventually enter there again, I will deal with you.
Uncle, that land belongs to me. My father left that land for me, and now you are telling me that you do it. Uncle, see here, I will be the one that will deal with you. That land, I will bring you down to 0 level because of that land. You cannot do anything, no.
Chibuzo said I will not do anything. I see. Oh, you want to learn how to fly? And I'm going to break your 2 wings very soon. When your father was alive, he was not even able to challenge me. Not talk about you. I'm going to break your wings into 2. Let me see your foot on that land, your feet in that land again. You see what I'll do to you?
See, my father taught me everything before he died. And thank God, the Omona, I've told you to leave that land for me. Uncle, you are daring me in this house. I'll kill you because of that land, Uncle. Don't worry. Thief, land snatcher. I'll show you, idiot. Fire will burn you. Nonsense, man. You go die.
Don't worry. I will destroy you very soon.
Land snatcher.
I will deal with you.
Land snatcher.
Don't worry. When you will cry like a rat, the Omona will not be there to save you. Because I'm going to squeeze you like a rat. The Omona will not be there to save you. Don't worry, it's me and you. Don't worry.
Ichieika. Ago. Adako. Whosoever that step his foot in this land must scratch his body till infinity.
If he touches you
Papa,
again,
I don't want anybody.
don't be afraid. Keep on going. I'm going to break that boy into 2.
Let him not beat me again.
Beat you in my presence. You cannot do it. Start from here. Let us start. Let's do that in cassava first.
So this is very strong.
You remove the weeds in hand. Do it fast. Let's go.
But I'm doing it now. I'm very strong.
What is it again now?
Papa, I don't know what is scratching me here now. Papa, Papa, I don't know what is scratching me.
What is scratching me?
Hi, Papa.
Oh yeah, let's go. Leave those. Hey, leave that thing. Let's go. Support you. Hey.
Papa, oh, Papa.
I'm dying.
Papa.
Hey, I'm dying, oh.
Papa. Ay.
Chicken.
So it is true.
Chicken.
Huh?
Yeah, your friend is dying. It is true.
Both of you.
It is true. It is true.
You see, I told you several times, man enough. I have told you, come to me, let me take you out. So that you will be strong. Be a man, blow dogu.
The chicken,
Come to me, let me take you somewhere.
I'm a woman enough. I'm a woman enough.
Now look at you with your daughter. Look at what you are doing with your daughter.
The chicken, I'm a woman enough. Please, go to the farm. Get our basket and knife.
Oh, they are still there now.
We left them there.
Which of the farmland?
That land. I want that one not to step in.
Okay, that's small one over there.
Yes.
Hey, I told you are not man enough.
Don't worry, I'll be woman enough.
I will bring them, my friend.
Hey.
Never
I'm not man enough. The chicken. Go and bring it. Go and bring them.
I'll call him by family. I'm not ashamed. Let me go and bring them now. Let me see what.
Go and bring them for us. Go and bring them for us.
No.
I'm not man enough. The chicken. Go and bring it. Go and bring them. Adam. Hey.
This is cheap. I told you we're not man enough. Look at the basket. Ichiago. Hello. Hey! Hello. Ichiago told me this. Hey! Huh? Hey! Ichiago. Hey! Hello. Ichiago. Hey, no better for you. Idiot.
Lampstaketv Entertainment. Like flips. Let's go. Ha. Did you a more? Try. I get you a more.